How to hide notification content on lock screen of Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can hide notifications content on lock screen of Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to launch settings in your device. Scroll down a bit and head towards the privacy. Under privacy, again scroll down, there is an option as notifications on lock screen. Tap on it. Here you have three options: show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. So to hide your notifications content, select the third option, don't show notifications at all. And that's it. That's how we can hide notifications content on lock screen of Realme device. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.